Let's build the HTML structure for a personal profile page. We'll start with the essential HTML tags that form the foundation of any web page. The head section contains information about the document, such as the title that appears in the Browser tab and a style tag where we'll add CSS later. Now let's focus on the body section, where we'll put the visible content of our profile page. We'll use an H1 tag for our name, an IMG tag for our profile picture, and a P tag for a brief description. The image tag requires two key attributes: SARC, which points to your image file, and ALT, which provides alternative text for accessibility. Now let's put it all together to create our complete HTML structure. This structure creates a simple yet effective personal profile with all the necessary elements organized in a logical hierarchy. Remember to properly nest all your tags and close them correctly to ensure your HTML is valid. Now that we have our HTML structure ready, we're prepared to add styling in the next section.